regardless of what.
As long as I get paid,
Getting that money is all that I want. 4 years since the first album dropped. Haters still talking, I know they never stop, but I don't mind. They the fuel to my fire. Without them haters, I wouldn't have to drop to do what I do or be where I'm at. Can you believe I achieved all this with rap? Can you believe that? I'm surprised myself, but I guess hard work pays off itself. Stayed on the grind for all these years, still I keep on grinding so the money comes here. Can y'all believe it's me? Paul Yang, aka the infamous LP. They didn't think that I could blow up this big. Now they sitting at the movies, hearing my shit. My success got these haters mad, sounding like comedians the way they making me laugh.
say what they wanna say.
Haters gon' talk regardless of what.
As long as I get paid,
Getting that money is all that I want.
say what they wanna say.
Haters gon' talk regardless of what.
As long as I get paid,
Getting that money is all that I want. Got my eyes on the prize, so you know I'm gon' win. Here to get that money, ain't here to make friends. Spit the real shit, ain't got time to pretend. Give 110% a nigga line and spit in. Moving on up, a day at a time, trying to get rich. On my beats and my rhymes, if you didn't know, this my way of life. Only way I know how to live my life right. So how can you judge me when y'all don't even know me? I gave y'all a voice, so I think I should owe me. So respect that least. Lyrically and on the beats, man, you know I'm a beast. So say what you say and say what you do, but at the end of the day, you gotta show some proof. That's why I do what I please, like that company crap, like I'm here to make cheese. I let them
say what they wanna say.
Haters gon' talk regardless of what.
As long as I get paid,
Getting that money is all that I want.
say what they wanna say.
Haters gon' talk regardless of what.
As long as I get paid,
Getting that money is all that I want.
I don't care what you gotta say. You can keep talking while I get paid and chasing that paper. And what about you haters? Stay on my grind, gotta get it all the time.
Yeah. And I ain't got no worries, enjoying my life, I ain't in no hurry. Seeing me shine must really upset him. Since hate makes him happy, I'll be nice and just let him
say what they wanna say.
Haters gon' talk regardless of what.
As long as I get paid,
Getting that money is all that I want.
say what they wanna say.
Haters gon' talk regardless of what.
As long as I get paid,
Getting that money is all that I want.